Dear group friends, I would like to thank you for showing the interest in the jobs which I mentioned. So I had a meeting yesterday and then I thought of having a meeting today early, but it could not happen because of my unexpected schedule. Friends, I just wanted to record a video and then share with you so that you can see and then watch and then ask me the doubts whenever you want. I thought that is better. So let us come to the point, friends. See, in brief about me, myself, S. Hemant Reddy, I graduated from Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur in the year 86 to 90 in civil engineering. Afterwards, I did my Mtech in remote sensing from Anna University, Adhiyaman College, Hosur. And then I worked for many companies for 12 years, 1990 to 2002. And then in 2002, I started my own consultancy surveying and then DPR consultancy firm. And then I have been working projects spread across 15 to 16 states. I have covered almost many national highway projects, irrigation projects, column marking works, metro, water supply, etc. Before starting my company and then after also, I have been doing the same. In 2012, I started one more venture called Sarvani Institute of Engineering Skills. So this I started mainly because I could not find a suitable candidate to deploy for my projects at that time because many were not aware of the toolization and the advanced surveying technologies, DGPs, etc. I thought, why can't I go to the college and then try? Like that it started based on the advice of few professors. So since last 10 years, I have conducted more than 350 programs in 70 to 75 colleges spread across 5 states, that is Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and then Pondicherry. And then I am a corporate trainer for L&T, MEIL and then L&W Constructions. Many other companies I have trained the fresh graduates, especially in surveying and then CAD related and then motivational skills, etc. All those whatever required for a civil engineer to be a successful graduate. And then I have helped around 900 to 1000 candidates, mostly civil engineering diploma, BE and then Mtech, to get job opportunities across the globe. So this is in brief about my friends. So I just wanted to network as many companies as possible. Ask them what skills they expect from the fresh graduates. Upgrade the same skills with the help of the same field experts and then send to the company. Like this I have been doing. Okay. So coming to this specific job requirement which I posted here, a highway as well as buildings, large buildings, PMC company has around 200 plus engineers, etc. They have one company office in a HPR layout. They require around 10 candidates, highway as well as in the structure sector also civil. Okay, and then one more company in RPC layout, and then there are some 6 to 7 companies are there. All are in need of the job. Candidates who are searching for the jobs. Maybe few experienced as well as fresher also. They said they will consider. So the point here is, friends, you have to understand the scenario of the civil engineering passing out students as well as the job sectors. I think many of you may be aware. It is difficult situation now because many colleges have started closing the civil engineering department itself. Even if they have intake of 120 or 180 or even 60 also, they are not finding the students even 3 or 4. Yesterday, one of my professor also was telling. It comes actually, this is the third time I am seeing in my career of around 32 years. of graduation. So we cannot say that opportunities are not there. That is wrong. See, job opportunities are there. But the problem here is many civil engineering graduates, they compare themselves with the IT sector and then ask for the package. That is not there, friends. No, sorry. Core sector, there is no term called package in the core sector. Core sector, you have to gradually learn the skills, whatever it is required for the profession, because what you bring from the college is just 5% or 10% only. Remaining you have to learn. IT is the different sector. If you are trained, if you are little sharp, if you are trained within 2-3 months, you will be eligible. Many say no need of their graduation also, they say they can mold within 3 or 4 months, but that is not the case in the core sector. So that is the reason. Enter a company, work there, learn the skills, industry-oriented skills, all those things, and then your salary and then financial benefits will start going after 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. Okay, after some 5 or 6 years, you will reach high, and then you will not come back. In ITs, a collapse or whatever it may be, and then termination or pink slip, all those things may happen, but in civil engineering, very, very less. So that is the reason. Patience, with patience, you have to enter a company for whatever the initial salary it may be. I want to use the word as salary only. So these companies are offering around 12 to maybe 25,000. They are offering depending upon the candidate's capability and then skills, all those things they are offering. So if you are ready for these packages, definitely I can help you to enter those companies, and then they have small conditions. That is most important. See, many join the company and then quit the company within 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, etc. And then they are not so dedicated in the field. That is not good, friends. No, you cannot build up your career. So you have to ups and downs, all those things you have to face, and then you have to develop the skills. And then most sought after is communication skills in English is the most sought after, friends. Many who are there who are coming from the Kannada medium till 10th standard, they find lot of difficulties, but ways are there to improve. If you don't improve, your growth will be curtailed in future. Remember, maybe after 5 years or 10 years, whatever it may be, plan now itself to improve. Excellent communication skills, written, spoken, all those things you have to improve. And then proficiency in CAD is must, friends. Whatever you are learning academical purpose, that is not enough. So you have to spend still more time and then take control of the AutoCAD. Speed, that is important. No, you will learn AutoCAD, but speed is important. So it is common for all. It is required everywhere. Okay, because since manual drawings are not there, you know. Okay, these things are most important for you. So proficiency in CAD, and then fundamentals of civil engineering are required for you, which will not take much time. But many of you don't show interest in learning those. I'll tell you an example. When I go to the entrepreneurs and then interview the candidates, fundamentals also they don't know. Example, if I ask a candidate 1 meter equal to how many feet means, they say, sir, it may be around approximately 30 or 35 feet. Even Mtech structure people also saying this answer means where the company has to go. You imagine. You may say these things are not available in the Google or YouTube or whatever it may be then, but you have to show some interest. Units are most important. Nowadays, even though we engineers use MKS, but FPS is there still with the mason, etc. They understand only feet and then inch and then all those things. You should be well versed in the conversion factor. That is most important. And then fundamentals of the leveling, etc. Rise and fall, etc. How to do the leveling. And then and then basics of the civil engineering. What is the definition of RCC? When I ask this question, and then they don't know what is the importance of the reinforcement. Why the steel has to be reinforced? Force means they say some layman's answer or mystery answer. It will be strong or strength or etc. No. Correct to the point you have to answer. Concrete is weak in tension, steel is strong in tension. And then 1 kg cubic meter, 1:4 ratio, how many bags of cement. Example, 30-40 building is there. You have to bring the cement from the shop means approximately you have to calculate how many bags of cement required. Materials, no. Many of the candidates passing out don't know. And then don't know, simply supported beam with point load, SFD BMD also they don't know. Fundamental tests on concrete or aggregate or etc. Geotechnical fundamentals, all those things, at least whatever it is required for the field purpose, those things you have to note down systematically in a book, and then you discuss among your friends, and then it should be thorough. And then be bold in answering. Develop that skills. That is most important. Okay. So finally, coming to this requirement. Okay, I will conduct a written test because these companies have taken me as an advisor even for the recruitment also. Okay, so I will conduct the fundamental tests now, where you suit which company is suitable to you, and all those things. So based on that, few companies are asking at least 1 year agreement, some companies 6 months agreement, some companies are not acceptable, they are okay with this also. For that purpose, few companies are asking the original marks cards as a guarantee for 1 year, few asking for 6 months, few they say no problem, like that they say. So depending upon the company and the circumstances, you should accept. If it is okay to you, then you can accept the terms and conditions, salary, etc. Then you can join. Okay. So finally, my position and then my fees, I will charge 1 month salary from you when you are selected from my side. Example, I'll arrange the company interview, etc. Everything okay. If it is okay, if the company is okay to you, salary is okay to you, if everything is okay to you, then you accept. Once you accept, don't reject. So once you accept, pay 15 months salary as before joining as advance, and then give it in writing so that I'll collect from the company in your first salary. Like that, my fees will be there, and then no registration fee, no charge, nothing is required initially. It is up to you. If the company is okay to you, you can join. Otherwise, sir, please give me opportunity in one more company. I'm not so feeling comfortable in this company for this salary or whatever the reason may be. It is up to you. Then I can arrange in second company or third company. But you should not have high expectations, because it is not possible to fill. You have to satisfy to some extent and then join any company. And then enter any company, friends. What I am telling is actually, when I train for the corporate companies, for the mechanical and electrical also, I train in surveying and then leveling and then CAD also, because the term engineer is there in many big companies, not civil or mechanical or electrical. Core, different. Fundamentals, all should know, like that they ask. So that is the reason, join highway sector or buildings or whatever it may be, enter any company first. You have a lot to learn. Then afterwards you can learn and then change. The time was there earlier. In our time, 25-30 years back, if we join buildings, we cannot join highways, like that it was there, but it is not now. Many companies want all-rounders. So that is the reason, if it is okay to you, then you can join that company. Okay, so these are the fundamental things which I wanted to talk to you in the online meeting or etc. So that is the reason I made a video, so that it will be easy for you to see whenever you want. If any doubts are there based on this, you can text me in WhatsApp one-to-one separately, so that I will reply you. If required, I will call you also. Okay, so if any doubts are there, you can text me. I will try to arrange written test as well as interview as well as possible. So those who are there outside or even in Bangalore also, no problem. I will talk to the companies. You can come to our office once. I will conduct the test and then some interview, fundamental interviews. Then I will take. I will send you to the companies. If time permits, I will also come there, have one more meeting there, and then see all the points there. If it is okay to you, the company, then you can join that company. So this process, it may take within a week or 10 days. I will try to finish. I had discussed with the companies. Okay, so come with some of the fundamentals, whatever I told, these just brush up and then come some fundamentals of the civil engineering. Okay, so thank you so much, friends. I wish you best of luck. After seeing this video, you can text me about your opinion, whether you are ready or not for all these points. Based on that, I will proceed further. Right now, all jobs are there in the company head office is in Bangalore only, but especially fitting the boys, a lot of entrepreneurial opportunities are there in surveying sector, toll station, LiDAR, DGPS, and then drone. It may not fit for the lady candidates, boys. If any interest is there, because a lot of money is there. So this also I will throw a light if you require. Okay, so just have a glance at this video again and again. Come back with me with the doubts. Definitely I will clarify, friends. Spread the message to other friends also who are looking for the jobs. Definitely the time will come. You will grow to a high, but it takes some time. Okay, maybe 2 years or 3 years. Learn the skills. Definitely you can start your own company. I have many friends, around 10 to 15. My close friends are there who have around 25 to 30 years or than 40 years experience are there. All are there to help you and then support you in the skills or whatever it may be there. But you have to come with dareness. Then only you can build your career there. Okay? So thank you. Thank you so much.